Hi, welcome to an afternoon of mental health awareness with me and my amazing friends. As you may know, since 2022, I have dedicated my life to advocating for mental health awareness. And in pursuit of that, me and these amazing people are creating a personalized mental health care package, which I will take with me when my Mrs. Universe Africa sisters and I visit a safe house in Roodepoort in Gauteng, South Africa. So come along, let's create this package together. The goal was to share a piece of ourselves with whoever will encounter this package. So that is why we all came together and we created. What did we make? Okay, 3 things. A chart for a mood corner, one for no to bullying, and then a jar of motivation. And this is how it all went down. We each wrote down words of motivation, which we then cut into small pieces, folded, and placed in a jar, which we called our jar of encouragement. For the anti-bullying corner, we shared our different stories of being bullied and vice versa, with the hope of promoting a culture of anti-bullying and protecting each other against bullying. And our absolute favorite was creating the mood corner, because we got to cut out pieces of encouraging, exciting, beautiful, uplifting words from magazines and made a mood board. Thank you ever so much to everybody that came, and thank you for watching this video. Now I really can't wait to deliver this package.